Let's go! What's up guys, welcome to our first video.
And today we're going to be using randomized cars.
Let me show you guys an example. Basically, we're going to be clicking customize car and then randomize preset. With whatever car it gives us, we have to play with. So let me just randomize again. Alright. I like it. Your turn.
Yes. Oh wow.
Nah, bro, that's bad. That's bad, bro. Alright, first match. Trying to kick off. This is LMO.
Oh.
I'm so lucky I bumped him.
That happened to me. This car, bro.
Yes! Forced to go.
Yeah.
That's crazy, bro. How did we do that? This car is so heavy, I wonder why. No! That's in.
Oh my god, my boost. It's like the Xbox. Like the...
I mean, maybe I'll see it on your POV.
It's green. And like...
My god, bro, I'm so scared. First time making it to overtime in randomized cars. Oh yeah, I'm in it.
I got Noya. Then Noya man. Noya Ben Maguire.
Let's go! We won on for...
And they left.
They both left!
Oh my god.
Oh my days! Winning in a randomized car is actually crazy. This car, bro, but I got it. Oh, this is basically just the same thing. Alright.
Yes, I would like to change.
Oh, it's the same thing!
To all my Albanian friends, Huni, Chiwa.
I didn't go get it.
We are not that off. We are not that off. They get the ball safe and was live. It took too long.
No way! Let's go!
I'm such a good friend for leaving that.
Top 10 wholesome moments.
Yes. Like, you know those Ronaldo things where like he scores off his goal like 1% of the goal.
Freaky deep out activated.
Oh. I need a hero!
Oh my days.
Ain't no way. Yep, there literally is no way. Like,
My dad is singing and my ass is itching. What? That's a shot. Okay, well at least you scored, but like, oh my.
That's you.
Wait, where are you? I didn't know you were back. My bad. Bro, there's no way we just scored again.
Yeah, no, but look
at
that. I kind of must have it. Never mind, you can still. Oh my god, you realize that I've got a taxi headlight. And you even put it in the oven. 6-7.
Imagine if you just score.
Ooh, I saw my soul to the tail.
Last round of minor. 3, 2, 1, and go. Oh god. Oh, what?
Okay, this is mine. Let's go, please.
That's a good car, bro. I know you're.
Oh my god, this car, bro.
Fucking sucks.
Oh my god.
Low-key is just GG's.
I'll go.
Okay, you could have jumped, you could have jumped.
I did literally block my jump or something. Oh my.
It was behind you. Why did I do that? Didn't even use your
my.
You're actually cooking. I
I mean, I thought about that's the big game.
You know, the one you posted on the TikTok?
Oh my god.
Oh, he's not even playing. I'll save it. No.
It's still greenful. 2 seconds.
This boost, now I got a boost cast? Bruh.
What's the
Oh,
point?
well, he left.
Wait, I saw.
It's fine. Thank you guys so much for watching our first video. Hope it wasn't boring. Cause this is the only idea we had.
Sorry.
You got anything to say, Mr. Deep Out?
What?
Thank you guys.